people. Give it.
No, I'm recording it, so there you
Hey
go.
people, why are you cutting down trees? That's the fairy's home. Please stop cutting down trees. Why are you cutting down trees? And I think maybe the fairy's in it because I was watching a fairy movie and some people were cutting down trees. Please stop cutting down trees.
I'll smile.
And I don't want you guys to cut trees down if the fairies in it. That's the home. If you cut down trees and like my family movie, don't have any home. And if you do cut down the trees and they come up and see some of the trees get down, they'll be sad. That's all I wanted to say.